Hello everyone, today let's introduce our small magnet driving electronic locks for you. You can see from the table, there are 4 different small magnet driving electronic locks in our products. Let's see the 2 locks first. The 2 locks have small size. Both of them without push rod to help push the door open, so the thrust of the 2 locks are smaller than the 2. Then you can see here is an emergency lever, so it can help push the door open. This push rod is longer than this one, so the thrust of this one is also bigger than this one. The material of this kind of locks is 430 stainless steel, and the emergency lever, the lock tongue is made of zinc alloy. So the oxidation resistance is much higher, and this kind of locks won't be rust easily. The 4 different locks can match 6 different lock hooks. Our hook E and hook A are higher than other 3. You can see we can close the lock. Then usually when power on, the lock will open. If the power off, we can use this emergency lever to open the lock. The 3 electronic locks on table are our waterproof electronic lock series. This lock is driven by magnets. The 2 locks are driven by motor. Motor locks are more stable and have lower power consumption than magnet locks. You can see here is a black waterproof box. It is used to protect the internal switch and the magnet from the water. The 2 locks also have a black waterproof box here. It is used to protect the internal switch and motor. The main difference of the 2 locks is the motor type. You can see here. This motor is metal motor. This is made of plastic, so the working life of this motor is higher than this one. The 3 locks have 2 hook models available because the height of the hook is higher than other 3 hooks. You can see here is an emergency lever. When power off, it can use to emergency unlocking. Besides the 3 waterproof locks, we also have other models. The main difference is the material. The 2 locks are made of plastic, so the cost is lower than the 3 because they are made of stainless steel. They are made of plastic. They are very similar models.